Is it just me? Or does this GIF make me laugh out loud? The SEC has been attempting to halt Ripple, but how can they expect to halt an entire ocean by sweeping it away with a broom? It's incomprehensible. The SEC has explicitly advised the whole crypto community to, they have no legal reasons to keep Ripple in custody, yet they still want to slow them down. That, however, will never happen because, guess what? They'll never be able to halt a power like that. The XRP community, unless they chose to play dirty. Or are they already acting shady? In any event, don't click that dial button until we get into the nitty-gritty of what is going on. What's going on with Ripple in and out of court, as well as a quick rundown of the XRP pricing action. That being said, let's continue with the introduction. What's up, fellas? Hello and welcome to the XRP Hut, your favorite cryptocurrency channel. If you're new here, click the subscribe button and turn it on. Turn on the notification bell to receive notifications whenever we publish a new video. To everyone in my XRP family, thank you for returning. Don't forget to click the button and leave a remark in the space below. If you found this video useful, please share it with others. So without further ado, let's get down to business. In this video, John Deaton discusses a lot of topics. Although it is not current news, it is quite relevant. When Bitcoin began to rise in value, everyone recognized it as the sole viable option. It is a cryptocurrency worth investing in, but John discusses what Ripple is doing with it. It's all about community. The company is currently listening to the voice of the people and is eager to make changes. This would enable the XRP army to present evidence that might potentially influence the outcome of the court case. John goes on to explain that he doesn't understand why the regulating body hasn't resolved yet, or at the very least presented a settlement option that defies logic and is the only thing that makes sense if the truth is that the SEC is doing everything it can to keep this company from progressing to the next stage. But gentlemen, have you observed the recent massive decline in BTC? As previously said, Bitcoin was never intended to govern the crypto world. Anyone who believes otherwise is incorrect and is most likely blind to the blockchain's numerous flaws. What exactly do I mean? I truly don't want to do it. It may sound like a broken record, but BTC has never been the perfect cryptocurrency. To be honest, it's slow. It takes a lot of energy to mine, and it's also not environmentally friendly. The only reason this coin has risen to such heights is because the whole crypto community has backed it. It is regarded as the crypto world's forefather. Apart from that, it's just another embellished, bold story. Furthermore, the fact that the originator is still unknown adds to the mystique of this coin, making people want to own one. But that's besides the point of having a cryptocurrency in the first place. Cryptocurrencies are revolutionizing the globe and have the potential to become the sole money of the future. Anyone who does not join the crypto industry with that mindset will make a lot of blunders. For example, if you were enticed to buy Doge because it sounded like you could make a lot of money from it, you've actually lost money over the last few months. So, with that in mind, which cryptocurrency should we focus on? If you've been around long enough, you've probably heard of XRP. This is where you should put all of your money. How come? This cryptocurrency has real-world applications and, like BTC, has a large and devoted following. That indicates that everyone who purchased the cryptocurrency is in it for the long haul. As a result, there is no pump and dump in this cryptocurrency. Unless other external factors try to push the price down or repress it, which is now taking place, things have just gotten a lot juicier. According to BBC News, Amazon will discontinue taking Visa credit card payments in the United Kingdom sometime next year. This is due to the fact that Visa charges exorbitant fees for transactions within its network. These have become exceptionally high after Brexit. Furthermore, the cost of taking credit card payments is increasingly difficult to sustain. That's not the only thing that's intriguing today. Ripple has been approved as an Amazon Web Services (OZ) partner. Would you take a look at that? That indicates that obtaining a visa may become difficult in the near future. Instead, we will see RippleNet collaborate with Amazon, the world's largest e-commerce company. Gentlemen, take a look around. This cryptocurrency is on its way to the moon, and it will happen soon. It doesn't matter what news is being shown on TV. Take a moment to check it. To learn more about what is going on behind the scenes, if this alliance is successful, we may see the greatest crypto, XRP, rise from the ashes. Consider what will happen to the price of XRP. Is Amazon planning to employ the RippleNet framework once this partnership becomes official? The internet will then entirely fail. Don't even get me started on XRP market cap. The fact that this coin is programmed to moon overnight is now as obvious as day. Ripple has long been popular. They worked long and hard hours to ensure that their work speaks for itself. Regardless of what the SEC does, this company is working tirelessly to establish important connections all across the world. That will not go ignored. For the seasoned crypto fan, I'm sure you've already heard of Ripple has clearly made a breakthrough in the Asian and European markets. That means that even if Ripple loses the court fight, it will continue to thrive outside of the United States. And if the government realizes what's best for them, they'll probably start working on finding a solution that ensures Ripple stays in the US and doesn't relocate their headquarters overseas. They fear losing their most precious asset in the future fiscal year if they do not. In a world where cryptocurrency is the new normal, now it's time to look at the charts, gentlemen. We can see from my chart that XRP has already finished this massive task. Once upon a time, there was an exponential triangle breakout fractal formation that can be seen in its entirety. The first section is broken into 3 sections. The first element is the setup, in which XRP rose up with an initial bounce from the lower grounds to the upside, generating the first impulse wave, which should be followed by a second impulse wave. This is the start of the triangular configuration. Following that, XRP went on to form the huge. Once the wave count was determined, the triangle formation with the coherent wave count was determined. The triangle formation with the coherent wave count within the formation was created. This signaled the beginning of the formation's eventual completion of the breakout. To continue with the exponential development phase, continue with the exponential expansion phase highlighted in green. Taking these aspects into account, we may now watch there, as indicated in my chart, that XRP is constructing a very identical exponential triangle breakout fractal formation for the second time, and once this triangle is done, this will signify the beginning of the end. As we've seen before, the next massive exponential expansion phase will begin similarly. We may also predict the 40.618% FIBO extension to the upside in this scenario, because it was also the target level in the previous fractal. For the time being, it is critical that XRP correctly completes this entire triangle formation in order to initiate the exponential expansion phase. As a result, we can anticipate some significant potential inside this entire framework. Bitcoin is trading in a declining channel on the 4HR chart and is nearing the bottom of the channel. The channel, which has a rating of roughly 54K. This could be a fantastic starting point for a lengthy trade. Another entry level for Bitcoin is $50,000, as described in the preceding post. This level coincides to the monthly support line, as well as the FID golden pocket. The graphic also indicates entry level. Despite the minor correction/drop, the stochastic RSI remains in oversold area, indicating a positive trend. I believe Bitcoin will be worth more than $100,000 by the end of the year. Please keep in mind that we are not a registered charity. Advisor on financial matters, all of the videos on this channel are just for entertainment reasons. Let us know what you think in the comments box below, and we'll have a discussion. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe by clicking the button below. Turn on alerts to be notified every time we publish new interesting stuff. We'll see you in the following video.